third day. The castle. Mean traffic. Came to Kyoto for rain and traffic. Mean. Alright, let's go. Here we are, inside, finally. So we're in the courtyard. Finally, day 3. So, yesterday was okay, too crowded. It's already getting crowded, but at least we're as empty as it could get. But yeah, recommended route takes about 2 hours. Sheesh. I don't think this is the castle, is it? If it is, it's a low one. Just got out of the palace. Pretty gangster. It's pretty G. Now where's the castle? Or was that the castle? Oh, where's the castle? That might be the castle. No, the castle. I mean, that might have been. I don't know. Man, this place, all these places would be amazing when the cherry blossoms are done.
Yeah,
or even when in autumn and fall. Surely. Well, that's the palace there. Oh, hopefully there's a actual. But I don't know if that might have been the castle. Oh wait, there's a bridge there. Just came from down there. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I think this is the border of the palace. Nishiki Market, they say. Yeah, this is, you know, I'm not gonna, this is gonna sound crazy, but it's not as bad as it was at peak yesterday. But still, this is crazy. Alright, see you whenever, because this is, yeah. Yep. Finally made it to the frickin' end. Jeez. Yeah, as you just saw, Nishiki Market, another super crowded place. Maybe go earlier, I guess, because we were midday, but still, heaps of food, just too many people, too crowded for us to enjoy. But yeah, after that, I ended up making my way to Kiyomizu, as you can see. Another place you're gonna see that's super busy, but it's expected. It's another tourist spot, so yeah. Alright, look, sea of people. There it goes. Oh, it goes higher. That's right behind us. Oh, yeah. This is the entrance. Let's get paid to get in. Sun is shining bright. It looks super packed over there though. I wonder if this can hold all these people. Well, it has, I guess, for years. Alright, lead through the back. Yeah, there. There's like a stairway down. So is that the exit? Bro, this is so packed. That's that. We were over there. It's getting crazier and crazier. This is ridiculous. How far does it go back? Cherry blossom. Closest thing to cherry blossoms I'll see before I get back. Alright. Curious to see what this looks like when it's empty. A lot of people. It's cool. Well, I think we've seen it all around here. And then the shops. There it is. The store. Dope. This was a good last night feed in Kyoto. Curry udon. Oh, that was so good. It was actually not too bad. Right. Some last temples before I go. But yeah. See you at the hotel. Let's go. Alright, a bit of a late night sesh. It's nice. We are trekking to Fushimi Inari again. Yeah, decided to come back to Fushimi for the night because the bar hasn't seen it. Yo, let's go. It actually looks cool at night. Yep, so we had Fushimi on our last night here. Not a bad way to finish the trip. It's not as lit. I'm pretty sure there's like a lit lanterned one. Alright. Fushimi is pretty cool at night. I don't think my camera's gonna ever do these justice though. I never know it's in 4K, so let's go.